So how can you increase the text size in a Gmail on your iPad? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one, right? So of course, you can check out some of your settings within the Gmail app right away. So you can check out how it kind of looks and behaves, but nothing really about the zoom feature or like making sure the text is larger. The reason is that this can be set up generally inside of your settings, display and brightness, where you can find the text size slider. And you can bump it up, of course, and then all of the things, like all the text will be larger, right? You can see you can come back to the Gmail application and it will all be looking like that. The text is much bigger, so you can apply the change across the whole situation in here, right? So that would be a way to do that. Outside of that, you can also technically check out the web version of Gmail, where you can literally just go to gmail.com and just sign in with your information. So we're not going to like use the actual app. And in there, you have the ability to click on the button next to the URL, like the search, and bump up the text size of that particular website, which is like the Gmail app, right? So this is how you can also do it, but it's probably less useful because we are using like the web version. So it depends on what exactly your goal is. But these are all of the options that we have on our iPad. Let me know what you think about it below. Most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. And I'll talk to you later in the next one.